In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make dashboards in Google Sheets. Start by going to Google Sheets in your web browser. Once you are on the Google Sheets homepage, you are ready to bring in a dashboard template, so you do not have to build everything from scratch. Using a template is a fast way to get a clean layout, pre-made charts, and organized tabs that are already connected. Next, open a separate tab and go to a website that offers dashboard templates. Look for the section labeled Free Dashboard Templates, then click it. This will take you to a gallery of options. From here, click the highlighted template area shown on the page to open the specific dashboard template you want to use. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing a template that is meant for Google Sheets, since some templates are also available for other tools. Now on the template page, click the option for Google Sheets. This should bring you to a Google Sheets preview page for that template. To save it into your own Google Drive and make it editable, click Make a Copy. This is important because it creates your own version of the file, so any changes you make will not affect the original template. After the copy opens, you will see the spreadsheet with multiple tabs along the bottom. Click the highlighted areas indicated in the guide to focus on the dashboard view and the key sections of the sheet. These highlights typically point out major panels like summary charts, totals, and the main dashboard layout, so you can orient yourself before you start editing data. Next, click the tab labeled Leave Management. This brings you into the main dashboard section of the template. Again, follow the highlighted areas to review the key dashboard components. This helps you understand what the dashboard is displaying and where the numbers and visuals are coming from. Then click Employee Leave Details. This tab usually contains the detailed records that feed the dashboard. After that, click Employee Leave Credit, where credit or balance information is typically stored. Finally, click the Setup tab. This is where templates often keep configuration options, categories, or settings that control how the dashboard behaves. That covers everything you need to know.